I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna macaroni. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, and about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget fresh celery and onion for that perfect crunch, plus a dash of salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a fantastic meal every time. Now let's get that macaroni just right. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, then add your 8 ounces of elbow macaroni. Cook it until it's perfectly al dente, which means it's firm to the bite, usually around 7 to 9 minutes. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse it immediately with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from sticking together, ensuring a lovely texture. Next, we'll prepare the flavorful tuna mixture. Start by thoroughly draining your 2 5-ounce cans of tuna. This is crucial for a good consistency. Then, finely chop about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of pungent onion. In a medium bowl, combine the drained tuna, the chopped celery and onion, and approximately 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Mix everything gently until it's well combined. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for our delicious tuna macaroni. Gently fold the cooled, rinsed macaroni into your prepared tuna mixture. Be careful not to overmix, as this can break down the pasta. Now, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For the best flavor and texture, cover the bowl and chill your tuna macaroni in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.